You ever just feel like you need like a pop of color in your sneaker collection? Like you just need those one shoes that are just loud, you know, they're a statement piece. Right here, newest addition to the collection is the PUMA Rider Future Vintage. These things are exactly what I needed. A little bit of pop that's gonna lead me right into fall. Honestly, a good spring shoe as well. I've done a lot of different Rider videos on this channel in terms of shoes from PUMA, and they always do a good job, man. I feel like in every video I have to just, you know, give them a round of applause in terms of quality and price. Now these will set you back $90, which is extremely affordable. And PUMA has been non-stop kind of reaching into like the archival sneakers that they used to have. They're really going back. I mean, these sneakers were originally brought out in the 80s, and it seems like they decided to bring them back full-fledged, but with a more contemporary modern look on them, you know what I mean? Now some really important facts when it comes to PUMA Riders, they do go true to size. Most of them have memory foam, so they're wearable all day. You have an EVA-foam sole, synthetic rubber on the bottom of the sneaker, and it's extremely comfortable. There's a lot of traction, a lot of support, just a shoe that you can wear all day long. And I genuinely think that's pretty much what we're all looking for in a shoe. You want quality, you want comfortability, and you want affordability, especially in times like now. Now, in terms of other details in the sneaker, it seems like we have like this nubuck or suede on the toe box. It's in this really nice, I wanna say like burnt orange color. Then you have another piece of nubuck suede that is in blue. We have this nice teal moving into the upper, then I'm assuming synthetic leather in blue. More orange hints, we have some yellow hints on the side, blue suede on the back. One thing I like with the upper is it's almost like this really breathable nylon, which again makes these shoes great for all day wear. They're gonna be really comfortable. Feet aren't gonna get really hot in them. Overall, really solid lifestyle shoe. Then on the panels, we have that white synthetic leather with, behind it, black nylon. There's a lot of small little details in the shoe that I think people just need to appreciate that PUMA does so well. There's a lot of padding on the inside of the shoe. Like I said, that memory foam in there. There's a pretty cool orange monogram on the insole. Then on the tongue, we have PUMA Rider FV. Now they release these in so many different colorways. You guys can click the link down below and check out the other options. There are more versatile if you like a little more neutral tone sneaker. And it's really easy to style something like this, just a white tee. You can either wear some black shorts or some black nylon pants like I have on right now. And you have a pretty simple fit that looks good every single time. We're gonna go ahead and switch to that on feet, and you guys can let me know in the comments down below if this is a cop or drop. There you guys have it. Let me know what you think of the FVs down below. Hope this review helps you out if you're looking to pick up a pair, but I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Hands in the air.